Hi guys, this is Denise Brooks with Alexis Information Systems. Today's video will cover free shipping. Free shipping is very attractive to your prospects. However, free shipping is not really free to you. Can your business really survive offering free shipping without marking up the product? I don't believe so. So what I did in the description of this video, I have a shipping calculator that you can download. It's an Excel spreadsheet that has it's an Excel workbook. It has two spreadsheets. The first one, you would enter the total amount that you spent on postage for 1 month and how many shipping trips you took. And then so you would do that from January to December, and then there is a built-in formula to help tell you what the average shipping cost was for your business, for your online e-commerce. And then you go to the second worksheet, and what it is it's a guide to help you modify your pricing so that it would include that average. So what I did for that second one, I give you a space to put your product name, your cost, your markup dollar, because I assume you've calculated somewhere. I always recommend that you have a handling fee for your business since you have to handle things to ship. And then there is a shipping cost that is transmitted from the first Excel spreadsheet. That way you can now see the new price for your product. So it gives you a little bit of a better idea of what the price would be if you wanted to offer it as a free shipping. I'm hoping that by using this Excel spreadsheet that you would be able to determine what your new price for your products would be. That way you can offer free shipping without losing money. You don't have to send back this Excel spreadsheet to me. I won't see what you put in this Excel spreadsheet. This is just my way of thanking you guys for following this channel. So thank you and have a great day.